What's up, everybody? Or the Schnarr Gosha will be back with another video. And if you guys are watching this, man, I appreciate you. Make sure you smash that like button and also make sure you subscribe. If you don't know who I am, my name is Brandon Jones and I specialize in helping you make an extra income. And guys, today is part 2 of the video I did yesterday with the product box. In that video, I showed you guys exactly how to find trending products. I showed you guys exactly how you can make your money back with the product box with just using 3 products, okay? If you don't know what the product box is a box that is sold on theconnectwireless.com for only $150. It has 42 products in it. If you divide 42 in 150, you get $3.57. So every product, all 42 products, is going to be literally only $3.57. And all you need to do is go to your platforms like eBay, MERCARI, Amazon, Walmart Marketplace, Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, whatever platforms you want to sell, even pop-up shops, flea markets, and etc., and sell these products for more than $3.75. And the product box includes products like the ones behind me. I am in my Broad Street location right now. And guys, you are watching not just a YouTuber telling you, hey guys, this is how you make money, but you're watching somebody that has actually done it. You're watching somebody that has surpassed literally just selling online and started selling physically. You're watching somebody that's not just going to tell you to start drop shipping or, hey guys, these are the top 10 trending products of November. Because guess what, guys? Trending products are what we put in the product box for you to enjoy. We do the research for you. Now, let me let you know something, okay? Nothing is going to sell itself. We have to be able to know how to list. We got to know how to and where to put products and place them. We also got to understand that we need to use our money. Money should be working for us. We should not be working for our money. And that is one of the biggest things I always tell you, especially when it comes to social media. It's important for us to understand the value of a dollar. And if you can go ahead, prime example, and take an iPhone 7 pair of headphones and flip these headphones from $3.57 into $12 and continue to repeat it, you're going to be able to run a successful business. Same thing when it comes to something just as generic as the S6 headphones, guys. Take this $3.57 and sell it. Same thing when it comes to cases. $3.57, sell it. Same thing when it comes to OtterBox cases. $3.57, take it and sell it. Same thing when it comes to light up chargers. Same thing when it comes to our number one seller, the solar power chargers. Guys, all of these accessories can be used to make you money on different platforms. And that's what I showed you in the beginning of the last video. But what I wanted to do is I wanted in that video to show you guys how to list them. And then I wanted to tell you guys a testimonial. As I went through reading the testimonial that the person sent, because I skimmed through them. I don't necessarily read them thoroughly because I want it to be authentic when I'm on camera. But as I was reading it and the person told me how much they made, I thought to myself, hey, it would be a great idea if you, instead of doing this testimonial at the end of the video, you put a testimonial out in the beginning of the video, and then you go and drill down the behaviors this person used in order to make the money that they made with the product box. Now, where can you get this product box? You can get the product box again at theconnectwireless.com, and the product box again is only $150. And again, it comes with 42 individual products. Now you may be asking what kind of products. The products are on the website. The products are behind me. We find the trending products. We add products to the product box every single week. And you literally buy the product box and we put the products in there that are going to sell and get you results. Now we have a young man that sat here, brought the product box, believed in himself, and actually began to make an income. Now, I didn't want to choose a testimonial that is going to be a 1 out of a dozen results income. I didn't want to get somebody that's going to make $800 from the product box, even though we have people that done it because they put their products at a high profit margin. I wanted to do it with somebody that actually was starting and made a comparable amount of money. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, number one, get my phone and I'm going to read off the testimonial again. Okay. And when I read this testimonial, I want you guys to, one, listen to it, but two, understand that what he is talking about is literally something you can get as well. All right. So it says, Hustler, the product box had me very shaky in the beginning. I'm not going to lie. I didn't know where to start, but with your videos reassuring me exactly how to post and how to do product knowledge, I got a notepad and wrote down each device that I did and priced it accordingly. It took me about 2 weeks to sell everything, but I did manage to come up with a $345 profit, which I am grateful for. I probably could have made more if I listed them at a price point you suggested, but I wanted to get sales fast due to it being my first time. Hope this review helps you. Please shout me out, Jason K. Jason K, thank you so much for the testimonial. Thank you so much for the support. And thank you so much for believing in yourself. Thank you so much for you believing that you can turn your money into more money. Thank you so much for starting and understanding that you are not held down by just a job or just a label or just somebody overseeing you. You are better than anybody you step foot in a room with. You can do whatever you put your mind to, okay? And the way he got this is literally a simple, direct method. And I did call Jason and I was able to just congratulate him. And I wanted to actually get into a point to where I can ask him exactly what behaviors he followed. What did he notice? Why did he feel like it was shaky? Why was he scared? How did he feel when he first brought the box? I wanted to drill down to all of these subjects, right? So first, when I talked to him, I asked him, why was it shaky in the beginning? And he told me because he is so used to getting a paycheck, so used to being able to take his money, spend it on things that he already knows the outcome of. Like he's used to spending it on something and knowing, okay, I spend it on the burger, I'm gonna get the burger. I spend it on going to the Sixers game, I'm going to the Sixers game. I spend it on paying bills, my lights don't get turned off. He was so used to literally paying things that literally made sense. And it is very scary when you're thinking, okay, I'm going to pay $150 for something that is supposed to make me money, but what if I don't sell it? And that was the main thing he was telling me is like, he kept thinking, well, what if I do not sell it? Now, I understand that thought process to a certain extent, but I think that we have to start to get into that hustler's mindset and we have to start understanding, listen, when it comes to any type of product, when it comes to any type of physical product, okay, even something like this tripod, right? Let's say with this tripod right here, I'm like, you know what? I'm going to list this online for sale right now. I'm going to sell this on OfferUp, okay? It looks like it's a 4 foot, 5 foot tripod that goes up and down and also can flip up just in case you have a phone. And it's very, very adaptable to whoever uses it, right? So I know for a fact this can serve somebody's purpose, right? So I would easily sell this and list this up. Now, let's say I brought this for $30 in anticipation of selling it. I would not hesitate to buy this for $30 because I know for a fact that tripods like this cost $50, $60. So what I would do is I would say, okay, I know I have this asset because I put money into this, okay? Money can buy me a cheeseburger. Money can buy me candy, gas, all that, right? But what money cannot do by itself is just make me more money. So what I mean by that is I can't just go ahead, have $1, go to the bank and say, hey, give me another $1. I can't. I have to earn my money. And what I like for us to start to understand is when we put our money into physical assets, things that people will need. Prime example, I can be on a flight to Atlanta. Somebody left their tripod at the airport and they really, really need a tripod because they need to get this music video done. That person is going to pay for this tripod because this tripod serves a purpose for them. This then becomes a need. This is a need for that person. I'm fulfilling a need, and that is what I invest in. I invest in chargers, I invest in cases, I invest in headphones, I invest in all of this, phones, because these are all needs. Now, this is the difference between just a lucrative income and a sustainable income. I am looking for income that will be able to continue to flourish with me or without me. I am looking for generational wealth. I'm not looking for something that is fast money. Fast money never lasts. Understand me. I'm going to say it again. Fast money never lasts. So when he was telling me how he was scared and he had doubts, I broke that down to him as far as you should never have a doubt because you're buying a box, full of assets, 42 assets. That's how we have to start to think about it. Is I'd rather take $150 from my $600 check and get 42 assets that I will always be able to make into more money. There's no way you lose money with the product box. There's no way. The only way that I could even think somebody losing money with a product box is if they just buy the product box and let it sit on the step. That's it. That's the only way you lose with the product box. So after me and him talking about that, the next thing he was saying was finding a platform. And he just felt overwhelmed because he had OfferUp, he had MERCARI, he had Facebook, he had eBay, Amazon, like he had different platforms. And what he was telling me is it's sort of kind of overwhelming sometimes when you don't have a direct place you want to list them. And that is where I would tell you guys this, pick two. Pick two platforms and list them up on those two platforms. And then the next thing he said was pricing. And pricing should be easy. You already know the price point that you're getting these products from in the product box. You're getting them for $3.57 to be exact. So all you need to do, honestly, is make more than $3.57. So all you gotta do. It's sweet, simple, easy. And once you start to understand that, you'll start to get better with your profit margins. I already told you guys my tips on profit margins, which are that it should be anywhere between 40 to 70% markup. Okay, and you should be marking your products up from 40 to 70%. Low ticket items all the way down to 40. High ticket items, excuse me. I'm wrong. High ticket items as low as 40. Small ticket items as high as 70, okay? And this allows you to maximize and make the most money with your profits. And these are the behaviors he implemented to make money, okay? So he made around like $150 something, I believe. And that includes, that all includes straight profit, not nothing from shipping, straight profit. Why can't you do it? Why can't you do it? Why can't you make that money work for you? Why do you sit there and feel as though you have to be boxed in? You don't have to be boxed in. The difference between me and other YouTubers is that I'm giving you solutions. I'm not telling you and giving you advice. It's two different things. I can sit here till I'm blue in the face, literally talking to you guys, telling you guys, hey, do this, do that. But that is not going to change your life. It's not going to put you in a better position. The way that you're going to be put in a better position is by really understanding exactly not just how to do it, but understanding the material and being provided the way to get the material for you to get it done. Go ahead and check out theconnectwireless.com. Get that product box, and I'm telling you right now, you will never regret it. And guys, let me know your testimonials. Let me know your results. And you always will have me to fall back on. Make sure you join that Discord. The link is below, of course. AirPower Replica is below, of course. Guys, we have everything that you need. And I hope you guys have a great day. And I'll see you guys on the flip side. Peace.